Hey guys, welcome to Thumper Fab. Today we're going to be installing the front bumper winglets for the Polaris Ranger XP and any other Ranger models that come with this style factory bumper. So let's get started. Here's what's in the box and what you'll need for the install. Your winglet kit comes with the following: the left and right winglets, 2 lights, a wiring harness, a ThumperFab light switch, and a hardware package. You're going to need a drill with a 3/8 bit, a 3/16 Allen wrench, a 1/2" combo wrench, a utility knife, and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing you're going to need to do is drill holes in your existing bumper. Go ahead and use the winglets as a template, sliding them on and marking your 4 holes on each side. Remove the winglets and drill. I recommend either center punching your holes so your 3/8" drill bit won't walk on you, or drilling a pilot hole with a smaller bit. Once you have your holes drilled, go ahead and install the lights into the winglets with the provided bolts, and tighten with the Allen wrench. Your hardware pack comes with 2 spacers. These spacers go between the front face of the bumper and the back of the winglet, and are for the outermost holes on each side. Before you slide the winglet on, I recommend running the bolt through the front of the winglet and through the spacer to hold the spacer in place as you slide the winglet onto the bumper, and then pass the bolt through the bumper hole. Install and tighten the remaining bolts. Next, you have to run your wiring harness and install the provided switch. The harness comes with male ends of the quick connects to the lights, a power plug, a relay, and a 3-wire array to plug into the back of the switch. Now, in the interior of the cab, go ahead and install the switch into the center dash switch panel. This one is already done, but all you need to do is trim along the indent with a utility knife to cut out the hole and pop the switch into place. Go ahead and pop off the hood, then remove the 4 push pins on top of the center dash panel and pull the panel away to prepare to feed the wiring through the firewall and rubber gasket. Now you're going to pull out the center dash switch panel by popping out the 2 push pins on the underside of the bottom edge. Starting with the wiring harness under the hood compartment, go ahead and mount the relay using the self-tapping screw provided. Plug the wiring harness power connector to one of several auxiliary power outlets. Run the 3-wire switch array through the rubber gasket on the firewall, pushing it into the top of the center dash area where you first removed the cover, and then down from there into the center dash behind the switch area. Plug the wires into the back of the newly installed switch, bottom to top, blue, white, black. Reinstall both the center dash switch panel and top center dash panel and return the push pins. Now you have to route the male ends of the light quick connects down to the front of the bumper from the hood compartment. Start by fishing both quick connects down through the front of the compartment at the very front passenger side. These will have to come down and out one at a time through a small opening by the grille and above the bumper mount on the passenger side. Pull both through and run the longer wire to the driver's side. Connect the lights and secure your wires with zip ties. Now fire it up and test out your lights. You are good to go.